let's start this transformation series of the 370Z. Welcome back to the Hustle Garage channel. Welcome back to a new video. Yes, I haven't been in the garage for quite a while, so this is another video in the garage. If you guys don't know already, the car is going to go through a transformation towards the end of this year and the start of next year. Would be faster, but I'm waiting on parts and supply issues and everything like that. Doing the best I can. It hurts for me waiting for these parts. I'm going to do like a pre-prep of the transformation. I'm gonna take this front bumper off, all the black wrap off. I'm gonna test out these headlights in the back here, see if they actually work before I open them up and actually fully customize it. There's gonna be some really exciting stuff coming with this car within the next, I'm gonna say 3 to 4 months. It's gonna be so much content for you guys. It's gonna be so exciting. So the plan for this front bumper, when it's off, I need to buy or make a front splitter for this. A few of you will be happy to see this black bumper off. The next time you'll see this bumper back on, it won't be black, it'll be another color. One thing with this bumper, the OEM undershroud doesn't fit into the holes, and so I do need to find a solution for that. I did cable tie it so it is secured, but I don't really want to keep running the undershroud with cable ties. The holes missed probably like 10 mils. Tried to put this all the way back. I tried bringing the undershroud forward. In the meantime, get some zip tips. If you're wondering how the camera is moving without me touching it, magic hands. It's called an Ashman. It's called an Ashman. Very vulnerable with my car right now. I'm showing you guys not so pretty stuff with building your car. Let's do the headlights and then let's see if the headlights that I'm gonna customize, let's see if they work. So if you haven't taken off your headlights before, it's pretty much held on by 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. The connectors at the back can be pretty annoying to get off. All the bolts are just at 10 mil. Yes, it gets worse on the other side. It gets worse. This came off at the track. Plastic clips and stuff came off. Tire ate it. That's the headlight off. So one tip that is useful to get more clearance from pretty much here to here, this small connector here sits in here. This connector is really short. First thing would be taking off this connector here. So with this side, that short wire, this is actually turned upside down. To get to the tab at the bottom, you kind of have to go through in here and push this tab in, and then, as I said, it gets worse. Look at this, it gets worse. Yeah, this is pretty much non-existent. As you can see, the tire just ate through everything. I'm not gonna bolt these in completely and everything. I'm just gonna connect the wires just to see if they work. Oh, let's go, they both work, let's go. Look at that. First startup and it works. I'm happy. I don't have to buy anything to make these work. Now it's time to take these back off. I'm gonna chuck the old ones on and then put the front bumper on. Some of you guys might be super happy about that. It's a little weathered. This has been sitting outside, literally in the backyard. Just scratches. It's just dirty. It's not in a great condition, but I mean, it's not supposed to be in a great condition. Embracing the flaws of this bumper. Next thing I'll probably do is take off the wrap. That might take a while, especially the roof, because the roof's been on for quite a while. As you might see, the roof is not in the greatest conditions. Rip this off, and we have started. So after what, an hour and a half, we got all of the wrap off. It's back to its stock color, full stock color. It hasn't been one full color in so long. It actually looks really naked. It just looks so different. The car is going back to its close to stock form before it gets its final form. This is the black mesh that I got. Smaller diamonds than these, and it's black. I just wanted a smaller one so stuff doesn't get through. I'm just gonna mark out where I'm gonna cut, just like roughly where I'm gonna cut. This is just an aluminium mesh that I got off Amazon. Yeah, it was pretty cheap. It was like 80 bucks. It's actually really, really good. Really sturdy. All right, let's cut this and let's see how we go. This is probably going to take a long time, so check in with you guys when I've cut all this out. Not the neatest, but yeah, it will do. So like all these edges here will be folded back towards here, and so it's tucked away. It actually looks really, really clean, so I'm super, super happy about that. It's exactly what I wanted. Way, way better than the ones that came on the bumper. I think that's it. I think we'll call it a day. We've been working on this car, this damn car. We've been working on it for 6 hours. But we did so much. We did so much. Yeah, in saying that, thank you so much for watching the video. And if you haven't already, smash that like and subscribe button down below and the bell notification. Turn that on as well, because weekly videos, and we'll be doing a full transformation series on this car over the next 3-4 months. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.